guys, happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. Today on the daily vlog, I'm taking you with me because I'm going shopping for essentials for the new house. You probably saw here in the vlog yesterday, we purchased a new home. Go back and watch that if you missed it. I gave you guys a complete tour. So now becomes the part of decorating, putting it together, actually moving. And I realized that like tomorrow night is gonna be our first night in our new house, and we bought new mattresses that are bigger than the ones that we have right now. I don't even have a sheet that fits my mattresses. So I'm gonna go and stop by one of my favorite stores. It's called Gabriel Brothers, or Gabes you might know it as. And if you live in this area, you probably know what I mean. You can find all kinds of stuff there that is like super duper cheap. Quality items, labeled, brand named items, but you know what? It might have been last season's sheets. I don't care as long as they're comfortable and they're wonderful, right? Or, you know, maybe somebody, I don't know, because there's clothes, there's shoes, there's housewares. That's the part I'm gonna go look at today, but there's basically everything under the sun there. There's even food there. And everything is all discounted. It could have been like, I don't know, a bunch of clothes that got made for a big brand, like, you know, Jessica Simpson, you know, all the big brands. I'm just thinking about Jessica Simpson because one time I bought some of her line of clothes for super duper cheap, and it was because one stitch was made incorrectly on the arm. You know what I'm talking about? So it's that sort of place. We are stopping here right now, refueling up our van, and then we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Gabe's. And so, let's go do some shopping and see what good sales, some good prices we can get. Matt actually introduced me to Gabes. Remember the time that you flew from Canada down back home and you came back with all this clothes? And
well,
I'm like, how much did you spend?
I didn't take any clothes with me, remember?
Yeah, I think you took like just very little with you.
I took a backpack with me.
And he came back and he's
with
like,
one change of clothes.
You were like, I'm leaving space. And I'm like, what are you doing? What is this place you speak of? And he came back and his stuff had tags on it. I'm like, what? You can get a pair of jeans for like $5.99? Are you kidding me? So anyway, we're gonna take you there, all right? So buckle up. we made it back in. Boy, it's pouring out right now, but a little retail shopping therapy was good. And when you go to a place like Gabe's, it really doesn't feel like you're breaking the bank. I was thinking as I was walking out, and Matt's here with me and he can vouch for this too, because he's probably the same way. I kid you not, the shoes, the pants, the jacket I'm wearing all came from Gabe's, and so I just love Gabe's. I just really do.
Yep.
And Matt loves it too, so.
I'm eating my Hershey's popcorn.
Did you get some discounted Hershey's popcorn? See, I'm telling you, there's something for everybody in there. All right, we got a cart full. Can't wait to unpack everything and get it all in place. This is what you call adulting, when you get excited about buying new bathroom mats. Seriously, can't wait. And shower curtains. All right, guys, I'll see you guys back on here again tomorrow. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up and leaving me a comment below. We're gonna be decorating and creating together here on the channel. So I am thankful you are with me. Hopefully your Sunday is going great. And again, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. See you tomorrow. Bye.